Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, your ultimate destination for the hottest automotive and motorcycle updates from around the world. If you love powerful rides, next-gen machines, and exclusive first looks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss what's coming next. Now, let's get straight into today's big reveal. The brand new 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S, and trust me, this one deserves your attention. So, Kawasaki has finally taken the covers off the 2026 Vulcan S, and while it's not a complete redesign, it's a refined evolution of one of the most rider-friendly cruisers on the market. The Vulcan S has always been that sweet spot between a sporty commuter and a laid-back cruiser, and in 2026, Kawasaki has managed to keep that DNA while adding a bit more modern attitude. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Vulcan S comes in a stunning metallic graphite gray with metallic flat spark black finish that gives it a premium and stealthy look. The lines are sharper, and the front now looks even more aggressive, especially with those updated LED lights. Kawasaki didn't go overboard. They just gave it the kind of visual refresh that makes it look brand new without losing its identity. Now, under the hood, or should I say, under the tank, the Vulcan S continues with Kawasaki's proven 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, borrowed from the Ninja 650. It's smooth, responsive, and perfect for both city cruising and open road rides. You're looking at around 61 horsepower and 63 Nm of torque, delivered with that signature Kawasaki punch. And even though the engine specs stay the same, Kawasaki has reportedly refined the fuel mapping and gear ratios just slightly to make low-end performance even smoother. Moving on to comfort and ergonomics, and this is where the Vulcan S truly shines. The ERGO-FIT system is still here, and that means riders of all sizes can customize their seating position, handlebar reach, and foot peg placement. Whether you're 5 feet 2 inches or 6 feet 3 inches, this bike can be tuned to fit you like it was built just for you. It's one of the reasons why the Vulcan S is such a popular choice for beginners and seasoned riders alike. Kawasaki has also worked on the seat cushioning and suspension tuning for 2026. The ride now feels even more balanced, comfortable for long hauls, but firm enough to handle twisty backroads. The low seat height, just around 27.8 inches, makes it super approachable, especially for riders who want confidence at low speeds or in city traffic. Now, let's talk technology. Unlike the 2026 Ninja 650 or Versus 650, the Vulcan S sticks to its classic analog digital instrument cluster instead of a full TFT display. So no fancy ride modes or smartphone connectivity here, but honestly, that simplicity might actually appeal to a lot of cruiser fans. It's clean, it's functional, and it fits the overall old school meets modern vibe of the bike. Of course, you still get ABS, LED lighting, and Kawasaki's signature build quality. And yes, the Vulcan S continues to be one of the lightest cruisers in its class, making it an easy bike to maneuver, especially for new riders transitioning from smaller motorcycles. Now, what about who this bike is for? If you want a low, stylish, and comfortable cruiser that's not intimidating but still powerful enough for highway rides, this is it. The Vulcan S is designed for riders who want cruiser looks without that bulky, heavyweight feel. It's also a great option for daily commuting, weekend rides, or just hitting the highway with confidence and style. And let's be real, the 2026 update might not reinvent the Vulcan S, but it perfects it. The combination of proven performance, customizable ergonomics, modern styling, and that Kawasaki reliability makes it one of the smartest choices in the mid-size cruiser segment. In short, the 2026 Kawasaki Vulcan S is not about chasing trends. It's about refining what already works and delivering a motorcycle that feels personal, practical, and powerful all at once. So, what do you think? Would you pick the 2026 Vulcan S as your next ride, or are you waiting for something more revolutionary from Kawasaki? Drop your thoughts down below in the comments and let me know which color you'd love to see in your garage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this first look, give it a thumbs up, share it with your biker friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Drive Hub for more updates, reviews, and upcoming ride stories. Until next time, Ride safe, stay smart, and keep driving forward with Smart Drive Hub.